Welcome. In this video, we explore innovative projects and technologies through interviews with the experts behind them.
Join us as we venture deep into their insights, achievements, and challenges. Let's get started.
Could you please explain us about this project?
This project is called Explore, and in this project we are researching how humans and robots are working together, but not only on a real board but also in a simulations.
We are showing here a very special use case of autonomous vehicles, that is lane following. The recorded images and the acceleration and the turning angles, and we trained a neural network, and now the vehicle is able to follow the lane by itself.
Project is about to show people that how the energy is going to be used for, let's say, a Google search, and also how the LLM model use the energy, and also how much energy is needed to generate a prompt in LLM.
The teacher demonstrator is building fidget spinners. We use this demonstrator to introduce students into cybersecurity and functional security.
This project is about real-time communication in converged Ethernet networks. With this project we want to address aspects and mechanisms to connect the IT board, the information technology networks, and the OT, the operation technology networks in automation systems.
And what are the skills that are required to do this project?
Basically, you will need Python and C++ programming skills, and experience with working in Linux environment, and working with robot operating system software, that is ROS2.
A basic understanding of communication networks. Real-time communication would be nice, but I think it's not necessary. Basic skills in programming languages such as C, for example, or C++, or Python scripting would be also great. Most of the time when we use a network simulation, and there we use, for example, Omnet and C++.
In this demonstrator we mainly use OPC-UA as a communication basis, and it's good for giving an introduction into Industry 4.0.
Robot programming. They have knowledge about digital twin, administration shell, simulations, tools and software such as Isaac Sim, Omniverse from NVIDIA, programming languages such as Rust.
How can this particular model that you're working on can solve like this real-time crisis?
The aim of this project is to show only how much energy is required. That's the only aim of it. It will solve, of course, some real-life problems. Let's say LLM requires a lot of cooling, and people should know how much energy they are putting in to create the LLM. So, yeah.